I'm going to show you how to take this cube or any other poly that will evenly duplicate around this sphere. First, I want to make sure that in my Snap Together tool that I have Snap to Polygon Face selected. Close that out. So I'm going to select my cube and go to Snap Together tool. I'm going to select this face and I'm going to select this face right here, and I hit enter, and you can see now that this cube is placed perfectly on this sphere. So the next thing here I want to do now is I want to offset the pivot point so it will be in the middle of the sphere. So if I hit the rotate, you can see that if I rotate this around, it is actually the rotation object. So what I want to do is I want to go double click my rotation option, and I'm going to change the axis of rotations to world rotation. And what I'm going to do now is close that out. I'm going to hit enter, and then what I'm going to do is hit FN and insert key, go to the top, and I want to make sure it is close to the center of the sphere. I could just snap it to the verse if I want to, but I'm not going to do that. So like that, and hit insert and focus out. And so the next thing in here now I want to do is I want to go to edit and duplicate special. Oh, I'll make sure my rotation is on. Duplicate special, and if I go now to this sphere, make sure it's kind of in the middle. So like that. And now if I hit Shift D, it goes all the way around. Here we go. That looks pretty good. That is how you take an object and duplicate evening around the object. Thank you for your time.